Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm at the dentist because my dentist had an idea for a giveaway. So here we have Dr. Jana. Before I say anything else, you would have seen one of my vlogs where I basically had a bit of a makeover. I came over here. I've had composite bonding, whitening, hygiene. Yeah. This man does it all now. So he had an idea for a giveaway with me. What was it?
For me, I thought, a great way to really give back to the community is to give someone with a smile makeover, which is what I was going to do. And I thought, what a better way to pair up, to them also hair and makeup as well on top of it.
That's an amazing idea.
Anyone better than you to be able to go and do it.
So with the giveaway, what would they win then?
So they could
win a full transformation.
Full transformation.
Anything.
Anything they want, a full mouth with porcelain veneers, from Invisalign, £20,000 budget, they can go crazy in what they want.
That's amazing. And a hair and makeup.
Hair and makeup bracelet.
Yeah, exactly, by me. That's a good idea. So we're gonna do the giveaway, and how are you gonna pick a winner?
So I think what we'll do is we'll create a video, put it out on Instagram, see how many people want to apply, make it open to around the world, and then we can tell them to say why they want a smile makeover, how the smile has affected them, and we'll find a story where we can really feel like we can transform someone's life with the power of hair, makeup, and a smile.
I think that's such a cool idea. Yeah, okay, let's get it started.
Still cannot get over we had this many entries, and Dr. Jana actually went through every single one of them and reached out to them, and it's insane how many people took part.
Perfect. Hi.
Hi.
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
I'm so glad to see you here.
Well,
I wasn't sure who to expect, and I was getting nervous. I was like, okay, is it going to be like a group of people? But yeah, I'm glad to see the both of you.
Yeah, no, it was just going to be the two of us anyway. But yeah, lovely meeting you. So you're from Denmark, I heard.
I'm originally from England, but I moved to Denmark 3 years ago. So.
Okay, nice.
How are you? Okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Great.
How are
so
you?
Me and Vithya, I'm good, thank you. So me and Vithya, we've just gone through, we've just got hundreds of applications to go through. So we just wanted to jump into the video, just some of them that we like their stories. We just wanted to find out a little bit more about you. And what would this whole experience mean to you? What would a smile makeover, what would hair and makeup with Vithya and a photo shoot mean? Just tell us a little bit about yourself.
Yeah, so I'm also Vithya. And I'm 31 years old. I'm married and I have 2 kids. And like I said, I used to live in England and then I moved to Denmark 3 years ago. My husband is from Denmark, so we decided to move here while the kids were young to see how it will be. So for me, a smile makeover would be everything, because I never smile. Like usually when we take pictures or, for anything related to photography, I never smile because I don't like my smile. And I've always been conscious of it since a young age. And I think it started because I had a gap between the front 2 teeth when I was young. And then I have like yellow teeth. So I don't like that either. So those 2 are like the main reasons why I don't like to smile. I'm just too conscious of it. So so when I seen this, that you guys were doing this, I was just like wicked. Because I did want to get Invisalign at some point in the future, but I didn't want to do it now because obviously it's costly and I'd have to look into what the procedure would be. So I'm glad that I participated and I'm here today.
Thank you for participating. So we were actually going through everybody's stories. We had a few people's stories that we really liked and stuff, but I'm gonna let Jenna continue this bit.
Okay.
So aside from that, of course, you obviously know how talented Vithya is with her hair and makeup. We've got a photo at the end. So we both wanted to say huge congratulations because we were like...
Congratulations! You're the winner!
Thank you. I didn't want to cry.
Oh my God, I wish you were there. I'd hug you right now. Oh my God.
I'm nervous and I'm excited, and I was like, I don't want to cry. I wasn't sure where this was going to go, but you know,
Oh my God, you're going to make me cry. I'm feeling emotional.
The next thing is I'll get back in touch with you. We'll do a quick video consult just to get a little bit about your dental history and your medical history.
Yeah.
Then we'll organize you to be able to fly in. Then we can do a kind of consultation, check the health of everything, and then I'll sit down with you all the different options we have. I'll tell you about the best ones that I think are available for you. And then after we finish everything, we'll probably need 2 weeks to get everything done. And then after we've done that, I'll hand it over to Vithya. We'll do the hair and makeup, and then we'll do the photo shoot after that.
Okay, that sounds great.
So so then once it will all be according to your availability as well, and everyone's availability. So so there's no rush, there's no time limit. Like once Jana's obviously sat down and talked to you and kind of discussed all the options, and once you've had your makeover as well, as when we will organize the shoot. So I'll be doing your hair and makeup most likely at the clinic as well, so we can kind of just do that and then just like use the clinic a little bit as well to do the photo shoot, and then you can start smiling after that.
Today's the day. I have my initial consult with Dr. Denzel at the Harley Dental Clinic. Can't believe the day's finally here. Like, I'm super excited to meet him and his team, and just looking forward to being on this journey and just seeing my smile transform. Once again, I just want to say thank you to Vithya Hair Makeup and Dr. Dental for doing this amazing giveaway. I'm super grateful to them.
Hi! Hi! Today's the day. Your teeth already look amazing. Exactly.
I have to learn to smile now.
Yeah.
Oh gosh. Oh wow. That's really nice. That's very different for me. Of course. Oh, thank you so much.
You're very, very welcome. Ta-da! This is the giveaway winner. How are you feeling?
Great.
Oh my God, you look amazing. You look so good. And your teeth. Literally, that's all I'm seeing in the face. I'm like, it's the teeth. It's amazing. That must have changed, like, because last time we spoke, you were talking about your smile.
Yeah, now I cannot stop showing my teeth.
Which is good, which is what we wanted as well. How has the whole experience been from start to finish?
It's been absolutely great. I've learned so much about oral hygiene.
Yeah, right?
Like, so many things. It's transformed my smile and my confidence.
Oh, I'm so happy for you. Dr. Jana in the house. Okay, just to understand, obviously we did the giveaway over a year ago now. So what has the giveaway winner been doing since? Like, what did you do with her?
Okay, so with the lovely video we have over here.
She's got my name.
So she came in with some gaps in her teeth. She had a bit of composite that was stuck in between her front 2 teeth.
Yeah.
That was quite stained. So what we wanted to do is fix all of the gaps without using composite in a natural way. So we had loads of different options. We could have gone for some beautiful porcelain veneers.
Because that initially, I think you were planning that, and she would have had the transformation a lot sooner.
Definitely.
But the reason it took this much longer is because of the Invisalign, right?
Exactly. We wanted to go minimally invasive. So porcelain veneers are still a great option if you want to transform your smile.
Of course, yeah.
You can do that in a little 2 weeks.
Yeah,
or
nice.
If you
Okay.
want to do a kind of minimally invasive way, keep all of our natural healthy teeth aligned.
Yeah.
So what we did, we started with Invisalign. The Invisalign we did a couple rounds for, just to make sure the teeth were completely perfect. And then today we finished 3 weeks of whitening, and so we just did a little bit of contouring, just using a little bit of composite to fill in the little bit of chips she had in her teeth.
Right. Okay. No, it does look good. How did you find the Invisalign?
It was good. It wasn't as hard as I thought it was.
Yeah, right. Because I think people always ask that question, so I think that's a good way of doing it as well.
As long as you like stick to what the dentist says.
Being consistent.
dentist.
Yeah.
And
No.
you can see now as soon as she smiles, she has a really wide smile.
Yeah.
So all of her buccal corridors, so these little corners of her lips, they're filled with all of these teeth.
Yeah.
That's gives her like, a nice.
Even without smiling, your teeth look wow. Honestly.
Yeah, they really do.